Hey guys, welcome back. In this channel, we make programming super easy, and today we will learn about variables in Java. What are variables in Java? A variable is a placeholder for a value in Java. It is like x and y in algebra. We can use it to store values. A variable in Java can be used to store values of multiple data types like strings, integers, and Boolean. We will learn about data types in incoming videos, but for now, a string is a piece of text, an integer is a whole number, and a Boolean is a true or false value. We can use variables to store a text, a number, or a true or false value. To write a variable, you must first write the data type it will be carrying, then the variable. If it is an integer, write int before the variable. This process is called declaration. Then we can assign a value to our variable. This process is called assignment. Just make sure to write a value that matches the assigned data type. Or we can do this all on the same line. Write the data type, the variable, and finally your value. This process is called initialization. That's it for today's video. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.